Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for the perfect keto marble cake. You want to impress your friends and tell them this cake is keto and low carb? Well, look no further because you're going to love this one. This is positively going to be the cake for the rest of my life at least. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me pick up a piece and show it to you up close. Look at that. The perfect cake. And here's my taste test. Oh my God. So, we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin with this yummylicious recipe. We take a mixing bowl and we add in 2 1/4 cups of almond flour. Next goes 1 cup of a sweetener and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and just 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Now we're ready for our wet ingredient. Into a blender, we put in 5 eggs, 100 grams of butter or 1 stick of butter. Give it a good blend. And now mix it in with your dry ingredients. I forgot about the vanilla extract. Please put 2 teaspoons. Now divide the mixture into 2 bowls. And now in a small little bowl, take 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of any kind of cream. Put it into the microwave and heat it up. Now we are getting our pan ready by buttering it. Now to 1/2 of the mixture, add in your cocoa powder and cream mixture. So you have 2 of your bowls ready. Now you take little bits of the white mixture and then the brown. Just pour it in little bits here and there. It'll create a beautiful pattern on its own. And see that what I'm doing? And so complete it by putting all of the mixture in. And now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 35 to 40 minutes. This is one little last trick I'm showing you. Take a little pin and you can just make a little design. So you're going to love this. Thanks for watching.